Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to access hidden settings on Brave browser in your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open Brave browser on your PC. Then go to the address bar and here type BRAVE Brave colon // flux. Then hit enter. See here, this is all of your web browser settings. There are two tabs, one is available and another is unavailable. These settings are unavailable for your platform and these are available for your platform. And here you can see a search bar. Here you can search any setting. For example, I hit Z and see here all of settings will appear with Z. See here, and besides it there are a reset buttons. This is reset all. If you clicking on this, then all of settings will be reset as default. For example, you want to change these settings. Now click on this pop-up box. Then here you can see three options: default, enable and disable. Enable, see here these settings are enable. To properly activate, now you need to click on relaunch. After clicking on relaunch, the browser will relaunch and the settings will activate perfectly. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more important tech tutorials like this. Thank you.